Coconuts. I'm Coco Vinny, founder and chief coconut at CocoTaps, and this is your Coco COVID-19 shareholder update. Now, it's been some Coco crazy things since the quarantine started. It was approximately March 17th. We've been in quarantine for 8-9 weeks. Barely know what day it is. But what's happened since we've been in quarantine, we were able to acquire RoboBev Technologies out of San Francisco. We purchased the hardware, software. The team has relocated from San Francisco, and they're now in Las Vegas developing and building the first robotics coconut Tapomatic machine. It'll be ready, the prototype, by July, hopefully by my birthday in July. And you can put the coconut in, hit the touch screen, it'll laser brand it, tap it, make a drink, mix in some rum, some cocoa, and then boom, in less than 25 seconds, you'll have your fresh tapped branded coconut. Those Tapomatic machines are gonna go all over the place, country, around the world. We're gonna spread it. And so that's gonna help get all of our distribution in line. It communicates with Wi-Fi and cell, and we'll be able to see where everything's happening in real time. The Coco network will be live. The SBA approved us for some emergency disaster loan. We just got funding today. $110,000 was funded into the CocoTaps account today. We opened up our $1 million round for equity investors. Anyone that wants to be an investor in CocoTaps can do so with as little as $1,000. Brock Pierce is our lead investor. He has a angel list syndicate set up. We would encourage everybody to be a part of this. This is the first zero waste, most sustainable coconut water brand in the world. And Brock Pierce, like I said, he's our lead investor. He's a very influential billion-dollar Bitcoin innovator. He's a very intelligent person. He sees what we're doing. We're going to open up coconuts all through the Caribbean with him, and Puerto Rico. We're going to create jobs, lots of jobs. On top of that, our sales in Las Vegas dropped off, but now we're starting to see them come back. U.S. market is a gas station with a convenience store, and they're selling Cocos. Lily's is a little juice bar in the Fashion Show Mall. They're going to be opening that up soon. We're seeing things start to tick up, so it feels really good to have the businesses come back. And look at, just like the sunshine's just coming out right now. We've been able to work with our first responders, Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, all sorts of amazing charitable organizations, 3 Square, Miracle Flights. We're starting a campaign with New Life Beginnings. We just want to let everybody know that we're here. We haven't laid anyone off. We're working hard. We're learning. We're working on the business, and soon we'll be back in the business delivering lots of coconuts. We also were able to prove out a direct-to-consumer coconut delivery to people's doors, and that's starting to work. We have a 4-pack that's delivered as well as a 9-pack, and we're starting to see we've invested about $668 to be exact in our Instagram and Facebook ads, and that's brought back over $1,000 in sales already. So we're proving it, we're learning, we're growing, we're adjusting, we're pivoting. So anyone who wants to be a part of the Coco revolution, this CocoDream that we're building, please, we'll put the links down under. Angel List, CocoTaps, Brock Pierce, look it up. Go to CocoTaps.com, reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We're around. I'm sending y'all Coco love. Again, all those tags are CocoTaps for you, CocoTaps.com, Coco Vinny. You stay tapped in and be cool. Coco love.